Welcome again to Fruitful Investment Strategies. This is Kalambai, and here we are trying to put the beton. You can see that's a manhole, electrical manhole that we are trying to put some beton in. And this is the beton car that we are trying to actually load. So the beton or the concrete is actually coming from this car. So this is the concrete car. Anyway, I'm going to show you this building. The building here that we are indeed constructing. So I'm going to go with you right there to see what is really going on and see what has been done here. So in this concrete element which you are seeing they're putting on the other side, there is actually 32 pipes going within there. So they're all concrete. It's electrical pipe which are really man has put concrete within. So as I said, we are going to go through the project and I'll show you some of it. Look here, this is a Traffo, a Traffo building that we are making here, and this is where the Traffo is going to go from. You know, you have some it's like you're going to push it in, and then once it's pushed in, you have it stay there. So this is how high it is, and all that will be a port which will be there. A port which will be there. You have some sort of a window here. It's not a normal window, but it's a metal window. And this in itself, you know, it's a metal window. Just, I don't think it can even allow air. You have some little air which comes inside, but not big things. And then you have pipes, electric pipes coming out from there. That's where you have electric pipes coming out from. And then they will climb up. You can see that small hole there, which there is that electric pipe. So show you. You see these elements? These elements are heavy elements. Maybe one can be weighing up to 25 watt kgs, and that itself is actually a lot, and they're being cut, you know, into pieces so that they can be fitted on the building there. So you can see on the building there, they're being put. It's a facade, if you want a facade. So I'm going to show you here, and here of course you have we had to dig like 2 meters here, not 2 meters, I'm talking about 7 meters down beneath the soil, And because we have dug so long, so we had to protect, you know, the place with these elements. I'll show you. So we have these pipes, you know, to protect the soil so that it doesn't fall from up down. So you see, you have we have kind of that's the up. You have down there. You have big stones which are coming up there. Then you have these big metal pipes, and then you have this is normal American iron, and then you have these supports here just to hold the metal pipes in place. And then you have isolation. From isolation you have another isolation as well, and then you have concrete after that. Quite an impressive work. So this will be actually isolation of up to 40 centimeters and concrete up to 40 centimeters. You have a wall which is 80 centimeters wide, I mean. So that's the kind of work that is being done here. So we are going here, you can see all that, and then you cover it with plastic, and then you have concrete inside, which will be impressive. So I'm just going to go with it. We're going here, behind here. Let's see. So there as well, you see, finish with that. Let's go at the walls here. You see how it has become when you put those elements on the wall. They become very beautiful. And then you have all the elements there as well. It's really beautiful. So let us try to go inside. I think on my previous video you have seen how it is inside. So if you are really interested, you can look at the previous videos that we have, and we'll show you. They will really help you in terms of how it is inside. So I'm getting inside. So we kind of build down here. So here they have put this is how to look inside, you know. I'll show you how it looks inside. This is how it looks inside. They have put all these metals to support the cables. All the metals that you see support the cables. So that is how it looks inside. And then all the, you know, you can see the holes there. Those are to bring cables inside. You have to bring cables inside here. So you see, those are exactly to bring cables inside, and cables will be coming from across here into the room, and then they go over these holders, you know, and then they'll be over the line here, and then they go, So just go that way. So you have also the support. this support to hold actually the transformers from up onto this. So you can see how many cables there are there. 4, and then you have 6, 24, and then you have here 4, you have 4, 16. A lot of cables coming from across there, from across the other side of the building and into this one. So once they come from there, they come here and then they're carried here on the what? On these chains. So that's how it works, and that's how it will be working. So you have those these places where this is where the cables will be lying, and they'll be carried over into the room. So that's it in this room. We are going to see the other room as well. So you see how it has become clean and beautiful. So tell me what you think about this, guys, and make sure that you subscribe. You follow us on YouTube, comment, and tell us what you like about the project, and if there is anything more you want to see, you let us know. So I'm going to take you on the first floor. Let me see if it's accessible, because I can see they've just put some elements here. Let me see. So guys, here they've put some elements. It's epoxy, just to keep it dry and not to allow water from coming inside. So this is epoxy, all this on the floor, and the floor really looks clean and shiny. So there will be the toilet. You can see the pipes there. With the toilet, washing place, you know, and then you have the pipe coming from upstairs, which will be taking the smell out. So that's about all that room. Let's see if we can go in this room. So in this room, they've not yet put the epoxy there. So you have cables on this side of the room. You can see cables are there. Let me climb a bit and see what is happening there. So you have cables inside there. Cables line across the field. That's about it. And yeah, so there'll be a lot of things happening here. So not be a room which anybody can access to, but it will be a room that's really technicians only can have access to this. So we are building. Now in this room you have also cables. So cables cannot lie on the ground. Cables will be moving on these metallic things. So we were just down there. I don't know if you watched. So we're just down there, and then cables will come and they'll be going around here. They'll be going all around this room. across this room. And then you can see that hole there, it's 20 millimeters of ventilation. So let's go here. Here across as well, they've put epoxy on the ground. You know, all this was concrete. It's not long ago we were building this place. So you can see also there, cables will be moving on those things. And then look at this. So here we are going to have cables going through from down up. From down up. So you have to have electricians to come and to install this. So from down up, you're going to have cables coming across this room. So it really looks, it looks nice, guys. Give us some comments what you think. So from down up, and then you have some windows. These are metallic windows, and then metallic elements, you know. So that's how, and there'll be a big door. It's all concrete. That will be actually, you know, opening there. So this is all about it. Very thankful, guys. Please make sure you subscribe, and you let us know what you think about this project.